The under-over get-up is a highly demanding exercise that requires a lot of core power, and I have set it as an intermediate exercise more because of the experience you need to have through control of how your center of mass moves within your body. To perform an under-over get-up, we want an upward thumb grip, so an underhand grip and then an overhand grip. You are going to step your opposite leg to the rear and then kneel down with your knee in a 90-degree position. So my shin is currently parallel with the mace or perpendicular to my thigh that is currently forward, my lead thigh. You sit down past your shin, so get bum to floor, and again, I'm over my shin. Now this is the control part. You need to roll backwards onto your shoulders and then with force and power, roll forward. But I'm going to pause just as the legs hit the floor to show you what important parts you need to take note of. So we roll backwards onto the shoulders and then throw the mace forward. And you'll notice here, I'm back to that shin position. I haven't come up and let the legs fling forward, so all that's going to do is stop you in your tracks. We need to throw with enough force to get you over your shin, and we can stand up. Switch grips, kneel down, shin down, sit down, roll, throw the mace over your shin, and stand up. For that, you're going to need a lot of core power, really throw the core, throw that mace, use it as a counterweight to help you get up.